Hello my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Can you believe we're at the end of summer and it's about to be Labor Day? OMG, this whole summer went by fast. So today's recipe, I'm going to make a strawberry shortcake. I'm going to be bursting with strawberry goodness, and we're going to put some fresh whipped cream, and we're going to make a homemade shortcake. And this dessert would be perfect for your Labor Day cookout and a great end of summer dessert. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to So roll up your sleeves, grab your apron, your flour, and your strawberry sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry shortcake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our strawberries. In my bowl I have 3 pints of fresh strawberries that's washed and sliced. And we're going to add in a ½ cup of white sugar. And we're going to give those a quick stir. And we're going to set these aside while we work on a shortcake. Alright my friends, to make our shortcake, in my medium bowl I have 2½ cups of self-rising flour plus 2 tablespoons of white sugar. And we're going to add in 1/3 cup of butter flavored shortening. And we're going to cut the shortening in until it reaches coarse crumbs. Alright my friends, I'm through crumbling the shortening in. You see how nice and coarse crumbs they look? Alright, that looks great. Next we're going to make a well in the center. And we're going to add 1 beaten egg, 2/3 cup of evaporated milk, my favorite ingredient. And also my evaporated milk, egg, and butter flavored shortening is nice and cold. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and ½ teaspoon of almond extract. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our dough looks like. You want to be sticky like a biscuit dough. Alright, that looks great. We're going to pour and spread our batter into a 9-inch round pan that I greased with cooking spray. Alright my friends, I got all my dough into the pan, so now we're ready to put in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 425-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, I have taken our shortcake out of the oven. Look how nice and golden brown that looks, and it smells amazing up in this kitchen. I can smell the vanilla extract and the almond extract. Alright, that looks perfect. Alright, so now we're going to let the shortcake cool completely, and then we'll be ready to put everything together. I'll be back. Alright my friends, now we're ready to assemble our strawberry shortcake. And I cut the cake half in 2s. And I have some fresh whipped cream right here. And our strawberries that we made earlier, it created the juice. And I made some homemade whipped cream a while back. I'll post links to that video down below in the description box. So first we're going to some whipped cream on it. And then the strawberries. And then the other half of the cake. And then the whipped cream, and then the strawberries. It's time to work our magic, my friends. Alright my friends, there you have it, strawberry shortcake. And look how pretty that looks. Look at the strawberries and the fresh whipped cream. OMG, my mouth's watering. It is thebomb.com. Alright, so now I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. I'll be back. Alright my friends, here we go. I got me a great healthy southern slice. Ooh, Lord have mercy. It melts in your mouth. Love the strawberries and the whipped cream. Now that, my friends, is some delicious, amazing strawberry shortcake. Everybody would love this recipe. Strawberry shortcake delicious. Well, my friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat, and I want to wish all you a very happy Labor Day.